Did you know that after age 50, you could be carrying up to 4 pounds of toxic waste inside your intestines? Yes. Old, hardened material that has been stuck to your intestinal walls for years, slowly leaking toxins into your bloodstream and sabotaging your health from the inside out. Digestive health experts say this intestinal sludge can drain your energy, weaken your immune system, and block your body from absorbing vital nutrients. But here's the good news. A simple, natural recipe using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen can flush out years of built-up waste in just 5 nights. Today, you'll learn exactly how to prepare this ancient cleansing drink and what to expect each day as your body goes through this deep detox. Get ready to be amazed by what comes out. Over time, your intestines, nearly 7 meters, 23 feet of winding, twisting tubing, trap small amounts of undigested food. These leftovers harden and form a crust that sticks to the intestinal wall. This crust doesn't just sound gross, it's dangerous. It blocks nutrient absorption, disrupts digestion, and triggers low-grade inflammation throughout the body. No wonder so many people over 50 struggle with constipation, gas, bloating, and a heavy feeling in the belly. Your gut is so important that scientists call it the second brain. It contains over 100 million nerve cells, more than your entire spinal cord, and produces up to 95% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone. When your gut is clogged with toxins, you feel it everywhere. Unstable moods, constant fatigue, brain fog, trouble sleeping, even anxiety or depression can be linked to poor gut health. Here's the powerful mixture that helps clear all of that. Warm water plus fresh lemon plus extra virgin olive oil or chia seeds. Warm water relaxes the intestinal muscles, improves peristaltic movement, and helps dissolve hardened waste on the intestinal wall. Lemon stimulates bile production in the liver, which breaks down fat and helps sweep toxins out of the body. It also creates a more alkaline environment, making it harder for harmful bacteria and parasites to thrive. Extra virgin olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive tract, improves gallbladder function, reduces colon inflammation, and literally sweeps toxins out by morning. If you prefer, you can replace olive oil with chia seeds. When soaked, chia forms a gel-like texture that bulks up stool, scrubs the intestinal lining, and stimulates gentle bowel contractions to push out old waste. Here's how to prepare it. In a glass, never plastic, pour 250 milliliters, about 1 cup, of warm filtered water, warm enough to drink comfortably. Squeeze half a fresh lemon directly into the water. Then add either 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed high quality, or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. If using chia, let it sit for 5 minutes to form the gel. Stir well and drink right before bed, at least 3 hours after your last meal. Do not eat or drink anything else afterward. Repeat for 5 consecutive nights. Here's what most people experience. Night 1, you may feel more intestinal movement or gas, a sign the detox has begun. Night 2, your stool may look darker or greenish, showing old bile being eliminated. Night 3, this is where many see dramatic results. You may pass mucus-like or rubbery material that was stuck to your intestinal walls for years. Night 4, bowel movements become more frequent and larger. Many people report feeling lighter, with more energy. Night 5, stools are more complete and satisfying, and you may feel as though you've lost weight, which you probably have, simply by eliminating accumulated waste. The benefits go far beyond a lighter, flatter belly. With clean intestinal walls, your body can absorb nutrients properly again. Many people report stronger nails, shinier hair, clearer skin, and reduced bloating after this cleanse. Systemic inflammation drops, joint pain may ease, swelling in hands and feet goes down, and even blood pressure can stabilize. Your immune system, 70% of which is in your gut, can focus on fighting real threats instead of constant toxins leaking from your intestines. This gut reset even improves mental health. Brain fog lifts, mood stabilizes, and cravings for sugar and processed foods naturally decrease because harmful bacteria that feed on sugar are reduced. It's like hitting the reset button for your entire digestive system. A word of caution. This cleanse isn't recommended if you have active gallstones, chronic diarrhea, or if you're taking blood-thinning medications without consulting your doctor first. Stay hydrated, at least 2 liters, about 8 cups of water per day, to support the detox process and prevent headaches or dizziness. If cramps feel too strong, cut the olive oil or chia dose in half and gradually increase as tolerated. To maintain results, repeat this 5-day cleanse every 3 months. On regular days, start your morning with warm lemon water. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi, and add a teaspoon of chia seeds to your breakfast to keep fiber intake high. Eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and cut back on processed food and refined sugar to prevent waste buildup from coming back. True health starts from the inside, and a clean gut is the foundation for more energy, mental clarity, and a longer, healthier life. Try this 5-night gut cleanse and see the difference for yourself. Then share your experience so others can take control of their digestive health too. The benefits of cleansing your gut don't stop at digestion. They ripple through every system in your body, including your brain. Recent research has revealed a powerful connection called the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way communication network between your intestines and your central nervous system, carried through the vagus nerve, hormones, and immune signals. When your gut is inflamed or clogged with toxins, it sends distress signals to the brain that can increase anxiety, trigger depression, and even slow cognitive performance. After a proper gut reset, many people report improved memory, sharper focus, and a calmer mood. This isn't just a coincidence. A healthy gut produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which regulate mood and motivation. In fact, up to 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, not the brain. That's why people often feel emotionally lighter after a cleanse, as though a weight has been lifted not just from their belly, but from their mind. Sleep quality also dramatically improves once the gut is functioning optimally. Poor digestion and toxic buildup can lead to restless nights, frequent waking, or even sleep apnea. By restoring gut balance, your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, becomes more regular, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Another area where gut health plays a surprising role is hormonal balance. Your gut microbiome helps metabolize and eliminate excess estrogen and other hormones. When the gut is sluggish, these hormones can recirculate in the body, contributing to problems like PMS, mood swings, stubborn belly fat, or even acne. Clearing the gut restores this hormonal clearance pathway, leading to more stable cycles, easier weight management, and clearer skin. For people struggling with autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, or thyroid imbalances, a gut cleanse can be life-changing. Many autoimmune disorders begin with a phenomenon called leaky gut, where toxins and partially digested food particles pass through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream, triggering the immune system to attack. Strengthening the gut lining after a cleanse reduces these immune overreactions and can bring symptoms into remission. Once the 5-night protocol is complete, it's helpful to continue with a gentle daily routine to keep the intestines clear. A simple ritual is to drink a glass of warm water with lemon first thing in the morning, followed by light stretching or a short walk to activate bowel movement. This helps ensure your body eliminates waste at the same time each day, creating a healthy rhythm. In addition, consider rotating natural cleansing foods into your weekly diet. Beets support liver detoxification and increase bile flow. Papaya and pineapple contain enzymes that aid in breaking down protein and reducing bloating. Flax seeds are rich in soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, soothing inflammation and promoting smooth bowel movements. Seaweed binds to heavy metals and helps remove them from the body. Don't forget to nourish your gut lining with nutrients like L-glutamine, zinc, and collagen, all of which help repair and strengthen intestinal cells. Bone broth, grass-fed gelatin, and certain supplements can be excellent sources. Movement is another underrated tool for keeping digestion smooth. Gentle yoga poses like twisting postures, forward folds, and wind-relieving pose can physically massage the intestines and stimulate peristalsis. Even 15-20 minutes of daily walking significantly improves bowel regularity and circulation to the gut. Long-term success also depends on reducing hidden gut stressors. Pay attention to food intolerances. Common triggers include gluten, dairy, soy, and highly processed vegetable oils. Try an elimination approach for a few weeks to see if symptoms like bloating, brain fog, or joint pain improve. Reintroduce foods one by one to identify which ones your gut struggles with. And don't underestimate the role of mindful eating. Chewing food thoroughly, at least 20-30 times per bite, allows digestive enzymes in your saliva to begin breaking it down, reducing the burden on your intestines. Eating in a calm environment, without screens or rushing, helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system and ensures proper digestion. Finally, think of gut health as the foundation for aging well. Studies show that people over 90 with exceptional longevity often have a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Their intestines are efficient, their immune system strong, and their risk of chronic disease significantly lower. By taking steps now, cleansing, nourishing, and protecting your gut, you are investing in decades of better health, energy, and mental clarity. This is not a quick fix, but a sustainable approach. Each step you take to care for your gut compounds over time. The result is not just a cleaner digestive system, but a stronger, more resilient body that supports you as you age. Most people think gut cleansing is only about removing waste, but what truly happens inside your body is far more powerful. Your intestines are home to over 39 trillion bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria act like a command center, controlling digestion, metabolism, and even hormone production. When you clear out old waste, you create a healthier environment for beneficial bacteria to grow, which can completely transform your health. One of the first things people notice after a proper intestinal cleanse is a sudden improvement in nutrient absorption. That means the vitamins and minerals in your food finally make it into your bloodstream instead of being blocked by a wall of mucus and toxins. If you've been struggling with hair loss, brittle nails, dry skin, or constant fatigue, you might simply have been malnourished. Not because of poor diet, but because your gut couldn't absorb what you were eating. A clean gut also helps detoxify the liver. The liver filters your blood 24/7, neutralizing toxins before they can damage your cells. But if your colon is backed up, toxins get reabsorbed into the bloodstream and sent back to the liver, creating a vicious cycle. After a cleanse, your liver can finally rest and regenerate, which can lead to clearer skin, fewer headaches, and more stable blood sugar levels. Another amazing effect is on your immune system. Around 70% of your immune cells are located in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. When your intestinal walls are clean and healthy, they form a strong barrier that keeps viruses and harmful bacteria from entering your bloodstream. People who regularly cleanse their gut often report fewer colds, less seasonal allergies, and faster recovery from illness. This process also reduces systemic inflammation, one of the biggest drivers of chronic disease. Chronic low-grade inflammation is linked to arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. By removing the constant drip of toxins from your gut, you turn down the inflammation fire in your body, which can result in less joint pain, reduced swelling, and improved mobility. For those struggling with weight loss, an intestinal cleanse can break through plateaus. This isn't just because of the few pounds of waste you eliminate, it's because a healthier microbiome regulates hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Your cravings naturally decrease, you feel satisfied with smaller meals, and your metabolism becomes more efficient. Some studies even show that people with a balanced gut flora burn more calories at rest compared to those with dysbiosis, imbalanced gut bacteria. To maximize results, pair the 5-night drink with supportive foods during the day. Add high-fiber vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and celery to each meal. Eat probiotic foods such as plain yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables to replenish beneficial bacteria. Drink plenty of water to help move loosened toxins out of the system. You can also add gentle abdominal massage or light exercise like walking after meals to stimulate bowel motility. Deep breathing exercises and stress reduction techniques such as meditation also improve digestion by activating the parasympathetic rest and digest nervous system. This combination of cleansing, nourishing, and supporting your gut environment is the foundation of vibrant health. When you finish the 5-night protocol, you should notice a flatter belly, lighter feeling, and better mood. But more importantly, you're setting the stage for long-term well-being.
Once you have completed your initial cleanse and restored balance in your gut, the next step is maintenance and protection. Think of your gut like a freshly cleaned house. You want to keep it tidy so the mess doesn't build up again. Start by making fiber a daily priority. The average adult needs 25-35 grams of fiber per day, but most people get less than half of that. Fiber acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and preventing new waste from sticking. Choose whole fruits instead of juice, eat leafy greens every day, and include legumes like beans or lentils in your meals. Prebiotics are just as important as probiotics. Prebiotics are types of fiber that feed your good bacteria, helping them grow stronger. Foods rich in prebiotics include onions, garlic, asparagus, leeks, and bananas. Pairing prebiotics with probiotics creates a synergistic effect known as symbiotics, which supports a thriving microbiome. Hydration is another key habit. Dehydration is one of the most common but overlooked causes of constipation and sluggish digestion. Aim to drink at least 8-10 cups of water per day. More if you exercise or live in a hot climate. Herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, or fennel can soothe digestion and reduce bloating. Another powerful tool for long-term gut health is intermittent fasting. Taking a 12-14 hour break between dinner and breakfast gives your gut time to rest and repair. This fasting window triggers a natural process called autophagy, where your body clears out damaged cells and regenerates healthy ones. It's like giving your digestive system a nightly tune-up. Avoid habits that damage the gut lining, such as excessive alcohol, smoking, and overuse of antibiotics or painkillers. Minimize processed foods, artificial sweeteners, and refined sugar, which feed harmful bacteria and yeast. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean protein. Stress management is just as important as diet. Chronic stress slows digestion and disrupts gut bacteria balance. Simple daily practices like deep breathing, yoga, or gratitude journaling can dramatically improve digestion. Even spending time in nature has been shown to increase microbial diversity in the gut. Track your progress as you go. Notice how your stool changes. A healthy stool is well-formed, medium brown, and easy to pass without straining. Pay attention to your energy levels, mood, and skin health as they often reflect what's happening inside your gut. Finally, consistency is key. It's not about doing one cleanse and then going back to old habits. It's about building a lifestyle that supports gut health every single day. The cleaner and healthier your gut, the stronger your immune system, the clearer your mind, and the more resilient your entire body becomes. If you found this guide helpful, try this 5-night cleanse for yourself and see what happens. Then share your experience in the comments so others can learn from you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, live healthy every day, and turn on notifications. We have more powerful natural health tips coming your way that you won't want to miss.